Hello viewers, today I am telling you that what is OnPassive company. You wanted to know about this matter, that what is OnPassive company. Today I describes you a 10 point about the OnPassive company. Point number 1 is this is a AI company, artificial intelligence software company. So you will not need a job, but you can start business with this company if you are agreement complete with investment, because OnPassive company already sold all the shares, so now you could not investment. Okay, the tonight point is OnPassive OnPassive is a company that you can stay in home and start a digital business from home. That is a second point of OnPassive company. You can lead this business from your home. The third point is AI, automation and passive income. The three things together, AI, automation, passive income, three things together, and the three things mixing and start a OnPassive name company. The fourth point is if you join ons this company if you join ons this company, then you could be generation income the lifetimes. This is the fourth point of about OnPassive company. The fifth point is 100 plus country already joined with this OnPassive system. So my country Bangladesh will be not delay to join this company. The sixth point is if you want to business with OnPassive, then it will be work for you as a virtual assistant business partner. If you wish to working with OnPassive company, that it will be working for you as a virtual assistant. This is the sixth point. The seventh point is OnPassive give you OConnect, OMain, ONET, AI tools, it in one place. Okay, this is the 7 point. The 8 point is Asmufara, who is a founder of OnPassive, a dream filled leadership, who said we are not a company, we are a movement, we are a ecosystem. The 8 point is about this OnPassive company. The 9 point is this is not a MLM company. No, it's not a scam. It's fully legit ICT sector digital company, legit software company. And sorry, the 10th point is in 2025 OnPassive become artificial intelligence lead digital ecosystem. So thank you for listening all these 10 points about OnPassive company.